basically Coursera in two stages. One was when the pandemic was in full swing last year. That was the free license period, and then we realized there was so much value in it that we continued to work with Coursera and subscribe for their paid license model.
We have now reached a stage where somewhere around, in some cases, 20% of our courses actually are done from Coursera.
My role primarily deals with academics and research. As part of the academics, we're doing a lot of curriculum changes and whatnot, and therefore I've been working very closely with Coursera as part of that curriculum changes. Initially, the Coursera team, of course, with their knowledge of various engineering departments, have recommended certain courses. We took those recommendations and gave it to our board of studies, which basically is part of our faculty. And the faculty looked at each and every one of these recommendations. We incorporated that into our curriculum.
On the similar lines, we thought that our faculty also going to be groomed by associating with Coursera by giving one side the experience to the faculty and to the students. The other side, the faculty also have to develop the skills how to deliver lectures and give a good learning experience through online.
Working with Coursera has been a phenomenal experience personally for me. I am a technocrat by nature, so I love technology, and education and technology, how we can leverage technology to improve our education system has been a big focus area for me.